Good afternoon, my dear students. I am going to discuss from English book. You can see at the board class 5 unit 6. Now I am going to discuss the food pyramid. The food pyramid. My dear learners, let us start reading with the name of our Lord. Take the book, open at page 24. What is food pyramid? Sometimes the food we like to eat isn't the healthiest food for us. The food pyramid helps us to understand the different food groups, and it tells us how much of each food group we eat. Look at the picture of the food pyramid. We eat more of the foods at the bottom of the pyramid. What foods do you see at the bottom? These are things made from grain, for example, rice, roti, and bread. Potatoes are not grains, but they are similar. Grains give us energy. Fruit and vegetables are in the next level of the pyramid. These are also very important for us. They have vitamins. They help our eyes and our health. On the next level, there are fish, meat, dairy products, beans, and lentils. Meat, fish, and chicken have protein. Beans and lentils do too. Dairy products are things like milk and eggs. They help our teeth and bones. Protein and dairy make us strong. Fat and oil are at the top of the food pyramid. These make food delicious, but our body does not need very much of them. Sometimes we can't get food from all the different food groups. But when we have choices about food, we need to make good choices. My dear learners, let us come to the questions. You can see on the board, write the meanings of the following words. Bottom. Bottom means lowest part. Bottom means lowest part. Then grain. Grain means seeds of food plant. Grain means seeds of food plant. Then energy. Energy means ability to work. Energy means ability to work. Product. Product means a thing that is produced. Product means a thing that is produced. Delicious. Delicious means tasty. Delicious means tasty. Number 2, you can see fill up the blanks. Foods are things made from grain. Here you can see things. Grain give us energy. You write here energy. Fruits are also very important for us. Fruits. Protein and dairy make us strong. Right here, make. We need to make good choice for food. Here, good. Then, number 3, write true or false. All the foods we eat are not always healthy. The statement is true. The food pyramid helps us to understand the different food groups. The statement is true. Potatoes do not give us energy. This statement is false. Fruits and vegetables contain vitamin. This statement is true. Protein helps our eyes and our health. This statement is false. Next question. Answer the following questions. The questions are: what is needed to be fit and healthy? Before answering question, you can see the food pyramid, and you can see at the bottom of the food pyramid grains. Second level fruits and vegetables. Third level fish, meat, dairy, beans, lentils. And on the top you can see fat and oil. So we will answer the questions accordingly. What is needed to be fit and energy? Right? Good foods are needed to be fit and healthy. What is needed to be fit and healthy? Good foods are needed to be fit and healthy. You will write the answers in this way. I think you will be able to write the answers easily. Second question, what is food pyramid? What is food pyramid? Food pyramid is a chart of 4 groups of food. Food pyramid is a chart. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of food. Okay. See, what does food pyramid show? Food pyramid shows different groups of food. Group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Different groups of food. The chart shows different groups of food. What does the chart tell us? What does the chart tell us? The chart tells us how much of each group of food we should eat. You can see here. Next question, which foods should we eat? Now think, which food should we eat? There are different kinds of foods. We will take the foods according to the demand of our body. You can write the answer in this way. We should eat cereal, rice, noodles, protein in plenty. Some fruits and vegetables regularly. Dairy products moderately. and fats, oils and sweets very little. Okay, my dear learners, thank you for you have given the time with me. See you again. Wishing you best luck.